This is a video tutorial on Business Insights Essentials. In this video, you will learn about this valuable resource that is offered by the New Mexico State Library. This is a paid service offered by the library, but you can access for free if you use the link provided on the library homepage. We will discuss what kind of information you can find when using this database. We will conduct an advanced search so you can see how it works. There are some areas of this site that will allow you to save your results as well so that you can save some of the reports that you find. What is Business Insights Essentials? It is a subscription service provided by Gale Cengage Learning. On this homepage, you'll see that it includes company information. You can search by company or industry, contains business reports. You can find scholarly information as well as other news reports. And there's also a glossary. This is the homepage for El Portal, which is provided by the State Library in New Mexico. After going to this page, we're going to follow their link to Business Insights Essentials. On this homepage, you can see many different areas of the subscription that are available to you. Here you're going to see companies, industries, comparison charts, glossary, saved items, and search history. Here we have the basic search box. Through this basic search box, you can also change your focus from article, company, industry, and keyword. You can limit to full text only or not, and also the advanced search. It's important when navigating on this page that you know you can always click on this box. If you click here on this heading, it'll take you back to the home page. So now we're going to go to advanced search. We're going to enter the terms that we're looking for. So you'll notice at the top of the page you can navigate with subject guide search. We can put advanced search, subject guide search, and publication search. We're going to leave it on advanced search for today. You'll notice that you also have the capability to use these Boolean operators. Those available to you are and or are not. This will help to limit or expand your search results. We are going to search for Moderna. We're going to change this to company name. We're going to leave and. We're going to put COVID and a star so that way we can capture every other word, maybe COVID-19 or anything else that comes after the word COVID within that same word. We're going to leave that as subject. We don't need this one for now. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Content type, we're going to select news. We aren't going to select peer-reviewed only because COVID news related to Moderna is relatively new, and so we're not going to find too many scholarly articles that have been printed yet. We're going to leave full text. We're also going to do articles and reports. Okay, our search result has returned 304 results. You'll see that includes many different contributors, New York Times, Business Wire. We have quite a few results here. We're going to go ahead and limit this to the past week. And let's go a little further and do vaccines. So now you'll see we're down to 36 results. Another way that you can search and see trends, let's go back to the home page. We're going to go comparison charts and we're going to go industries. We're going to add remove. We're going to go ahead and add, once you start typing farm, it's going to see pharmaceutical. It's going to compare the industries in this section all the way up until 2019, which was when that last information was published. We're going to go to related articles. When you go to related articles, this brings up a search page within this specific pharmaceutical preparation, manufacturing, and revenue. We're going to go ahead and put another search term right here, and we are going to put Moderna. We're going to go ahead and add COVID with asterisk. And you'll see we're down to 14 results, and this is our search area right here. If we wanted to take any of these out of our search string, we could just click the X here, which will take it out of this search. If we find an article that we like, we can click the star. What that will do is put it in your saved items. Within each, if you open your result, you'll have more options. This is going to put in your saved items. This will print, download, citation, and this is where you can share or email. You can find your saved items here and your search history here. However, these delete after each session since you aren't logged in, so be sure to email or print anything you need from this area.